sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through. Sometimes I get a little bit emotional when I see love unfold. Two hearts bound by reflections of the memories they'll forever hold. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. They say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through. They say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through. We ran so fast up the mountain as the sun fell low. We climbed so high to chase the light sent from the sunset glow. 'Cause time won't wait for us, it fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last. We stood and looked out as the colors in the sky ran wild. In that moment, I felt like I was seeing through the eyes of a child. 'Cause time won't wait for us. It fades away so fast, and soon these days will pass. So make these moments last. Seek to reach the heights of the Alpine. Seize the golden light when the sun shines. Realize time is a precious gift. So make these moments last. Time flies like a camera flashing in my eyes. So blind, I turned and the moments simply passed me by. 'Cause time won't wait for us, it fades away.